Buying car parts online in the UK? One wrong part can waste your money. Watch this before you order. Welcome to D2P Auto Parts, your trusted destination for quality car parts with fast UK delivery. Many car owners make these mistakes: wrong fitment, cheap quality, no warranty, slow delivery. Let's fix that. Tip 1. Always match your vehicle registration number. Same model doesn't always mean same part. Tip 2. Avoid unknown brands. Cheap parts fail faster and cost more later. Tip 3. Check warranty and return policy. Reliable sellers always provide peace of mind. Tip 4. Fast UK delivery matters. Your car shouldn't stay off-road for weeks. At D2P Auto Parts, you get 2 trusted brands and faux perfect fitment: POW Fast UK Shipping, POW Genuine Parts only. Check the link in description. Order smart, drive safe. Subscribe to D2P Auto Parts for more car tips.